Hello, I'm going to show you real quick how to update or add or change the main banner image in this section right here. Okay, so what we're going to do is log into the back end, and I'll send that information along with this email. I'm not sure if you have it or not, but I'll send it again. Once you log in, you want to find homepage slider. And if I click this, I'm going to see the existing ones. This one says a draft. It just means it's there but not published, not made live. And then you see the other two that are no title, and those are no title there because that was a request you guys made to not have text. So for instance, this one, the original design and concept had some text here, then your buttons, but you decided to remove that. So it's not going to have a title here because this title actually is the text for that particular banner, that name there. So let's go ahead and add a new one real quick so you can see how it's done. What I will do is click Add New. You can click Add New here, or you can click it here. And then, like I said, no title unless you want to have text there. Okay, and then over here is what's the important part. One is the attributes. That's the order that the banner shows up first. So this one's first. That one's set to either 0 or 1. I'm not 100% sure. And then any other ones after that, you would do 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or whatever, depending on what order you want them in. All right. So next thing is we want to add an image, and you'll click this link right here. It says Set Featured Image. Now it's really important. The images that you send over are huge. I'm sure there's a reason for it. I understand it. Maybe they're for print or other collateral materials. I understand that. However, you're going to want to dramatically reduce the size of these images. They're way too big. They'll take too long to load, and there's going to be some other problems. What I would recommend is right around the size of this image, which is 1600 by 799. So 1600 by 800 really. Right in that area is what you're going to want to upload these pictures to. Otherwise, like I said, they're too big and they cause problems. So make sure you do that. Once you're ready to upload, you just come up in here and you go to the upload section. Let me refresh it again, or start again from that section. Click featured image. It's going to automatically show this. The button I clicked earlier was your media library, and these are images that are already uploaded to the site. Okay, so we want to click upload. You can drag and drop in your image right into here, or you can hit select files, and then you can just search your computer for the image you want to use. So real fast, I'm just going to use one and I'll get rid of it. Select it, I'll open it, it's going to upload it, and then once it's finished, you're going to go ahead and click the link down here. It says Set Featured Image. You'll see it's loaded. Then, depending on whether you want buttons or not, my guess is no. You don't want buttons because the first image is the only one you got buttons on. These two right here. If you want to add buttons or create buttons, this is the information you would fill out. So basically the button link, and then the other information, the button, and then the button link there as well. Once you're set, once you're set, go ahead and publish it. Now if I come back to the front end and refresh, what I should now see is, my internet's a little slow today, so pardon that. You'll now see 3 dots. This represents you now have 3 slides on your website. So if I click the second one, it'll be the Valley of the Blessing, and then the third one will be the one that I just uploaded. So you'll see it right here. All right, and then if I want to get rid of this, real simple, just move the trash, and then we'll see up in here where we can save or change some of these, including delete, like permanent delete. Even though you trash something, it's not permanently removed. So I come in here and I can permanently get rid of that. So now we'll see there's nothing in the trash. And then now this will be gone. Real quick refresh. And then what we'll see now is that we're only going to have 2 dots to represent the first main picture, and then the one, the Valley one. Okay, I hope that helps you.